Jai Hind students, in unit 2nd atomic structure, today we take the atomic number. Definition, first we see what is atomic number. Atomic number is defined as the number of positive charge present in the nucleus of any atom. Atomic number means number of positive charge present in the nucleus of any atom. And we know that in atom, proton having the positive charge. So atomic number equals to the atomic number equals to number of protons, proton having positive charge. So atomic number equals to number of protons present in the nucleus of any atom is called the atomic number of that element. It is denoted by Z. After this, second definition is atomic mass. Atomic mass denoted by A, also known as mass number. The total mass or weight of any element is present in their center. The total mass of any element is present in their center, and we know that the center of any atom is known as nucleus, and nucleus contain positively charged protons and neutral neutrons. So if we sum the number of protons and neutrons, so we can find out the atomic mass of that element. So atomic mass, it is denoted by A, equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an element is called their mass number or atomic mass. And the number of protons and neutrons are collectively known as number of nucleons. So number of nucleons is called the atomic mass or mass number of that element. After this, third definition is isotopes. In 10th class we already studied what is isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of same element. These are the atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different atomic mass are known as isotopes. Isotopes are the atoms of same element having the same atomic number and different atomic mass are called isotopes with each other. For example, hydrogen having 3 isotopes, protium, deuterium and tritium. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. It is protium, deuterium, tritium, oxygen, 16, 17, 18, atomic number 8, carbon, carbon 12 and carbon 14. So these are having the same atomic number but different atomic mass are known as isotopes with each other. And isotopes are basically different in the number of neutrons. They are different in the number of neutrons are known as isotopes. And opposite to isotopes we call isobar. So isobar are the atoms of different element. Fourth definition we see isobars. Isobar, these are the atoms of different elements. Atoms of different element. Different elements having similar atomic mass. Similar atomic mass. Mass is the same but different atomic number. But different atomic number. Known as isobar. Isobar having the similar in their nucleus. Isobar having the same nucleus. For example, potassium, argon and calcium. Atomic number 18 and 20. And all having the same 40, 40, 40. So they are the isotopes, isobar having the different atomic number but similar atomic mass are known as isobar, and isobar are similar in their nucleus. Their nucleus will be same. So isotopes having different in number of neutrons and isobar having similar nucleus. After this, next definition is isoelectronic. Isoelectronic. Iso meaning similar. Electronic means electrons. So atoms and ions. Atoms, ions. Ions may be positive, negative ions. So atoms and ions containing same number of electrons, having same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species, having the same number of electrons. For example, neon, sodium ion, magnesium ion, aluminium ion, oxygen, nitrogen, then silicon, Si4 positive. Neon atomic number is 10, so they contain the 10 electron. Sodium atomic number 11, positive charge coming from the loss of electron. So 11 minus 1 having 10. Magnesium atomic number 12, having 2 electron minus 10. Aluminium 13, 13 minus 3. Silicon atomic number 14, minus 4, 10. Cation obtained by the loss of electron. Similarly, anion, oxygen atomic number is 8, 2 negative, gaining 2 electron, having 10 electron. Nitrogen 7, gaining 3 electron, containing 10 electron. So all these species are the isoelectronic with each other, having the same number of electrons, are known as isoelectronic. So we see the 5 definition. First, atomic number. Atomic are number of protons present in the element are called atomic number. Second is isotopes, atoms of same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. Isobar, different atomic number but same atomic mass. Isoelectronic, atoms and ions having the same number of electrons.